Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and your feet hit the floor and nothing hurts. No wincing, no grabbing the nightstand, no shuffling to the bathroom like your joints are filled with wet cement. Just standing up, walking, moving like a human being is supposed to move. That version of your morning exists, and it starts with what you put on your plate tonight. Because here's what nobody is telling you. The reason you wake up stiff and aching every morning isn't age. It isn't bad luck, and it's inflammation, a silent fire burning inside your joints while you sleep, undoing every repair your body tries to make. And the protein you're eating right now, it's probably not touching it. It might actually be making it worse. Today, I'm giving you 5 specific proteins that science has proven will put that fire out and rebuild what it's been destroying. Real foods. Any grocery store? Starting tonight. Stay with me because protein number 3 is the one most doctors have never mentioned, and it targets the exact ache you feel trying to climb stairs. The real reason your mornings hurt. Most people reach for a protein shake first thing in the morning, or a bowl of oatmeal. Stop doing that. Both can spike the very inflammatory biomarkers we're trying to kill, especially on an empty stomach with no anti-inflammatory buffer. That shake isn't building you, it's fueling the fire. Here's what's actually happening inside your body. There is a biomarker in your blood called C-reactive protein, CRP. Yours may be elevated right now without a single symptom warning you. No fever, no visible swelling. Just a slow, invisible burn that never switches off. CRP is your body's smoke alarm. When you're sick, it spikes, then drops. But in millions of adults over 60, CRP stays permanently elevated because of diet, stress, poor sleep, and years of the wrong foods. The alarm is stuck. Your immune system is always fighting. And when your body is always fighting, it is never, ever rebuilding. Think of your body as a construction crew. Every night, that crew should show up and do repair work, patching cartilage, rebuilding muscle fibers, cushioning your knees. But when inflammation is running high, those workers spend the whole night fighting a fire down the street. They arrive exhausted, no materials, nothing gets built. Every morning, same broken down structure, same aching knees, same heavy legs. It targets the CRP. It inflames the joint. It steals your morning every single night. Research confirms 46% of adults over 51 don't get enough protein daily, and standard recommendations only prevent wasting. They don't rebuild. They don't restore. They don't put out the fire. Adults over 60 need 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight daily, 25 to 30 grams per meal, 3 times a day. But type matters as much as amount. Some proteins are builders, some are firefighters. The 5 I'm giving you are both. Protein number 1, cold water fatty fish, the cleanup crew. When you try to make a fist in the morning and your knuckles feel locked in place, when you reach for the faucet and your shoulder catches, that is active, ongoing joint destruction happening right now. And this first protein is specifically designed to stop it. Cold water fish, mackerel, herring, sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids that your body converts into molecules called resolvins. That name is not a coincidence. Resolvins literally resolve inflammation. They are your body's built-in off switch for an immune response running too long and burning too hot. It targets the CRP, it floods the joint, it stops the ache. Period. A single serving of mackerel delivers 20 grams of complete protein alongside those inflammation-resolving fats. Soft, flaky, falls apart with just a fork. No knife work, no tough chewing. Why it works? Greases stiff joints, so you move freely in the morning. Switches off the inflammation signal at the source. Soft and flaky, no hard chewing, no knife needed. You must insist on water-packed or olive oil-only varieties. Many cheaper options sit in inflammatory seed oils that directly counteract every benefit you're after. The difference isn't just taste, it's whether this food fights for you or against you. Now, that handles the muscular fire, but it won't touch the grinding deep inside your joints, the cartilage thinning for years. For that, you need something standard nutrition has ignored entirely. Protein number 2, bone broth, the joint cushion rebuilder. This isn't just about a sore knee. This is about the day you can no longer lower yourself into the car without gripping the door. The day you stop trusting your legs on a flight of stairs. We aren't eating for health here. We are eating to stay in our own homes. A bone broth is loaded with collagen-derived amino acids, proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline, the literal raw materials your body uses to reconstruct cartilage matrix. Standard whey doesn't contain these. Chicken breast doesn't deliver them because standard protein builds muscle. Collagen builds the connective tissue that holds everything together. Tendons, ligaments, the cushioning that keeps your joints from grinding with every step. And why it works. Rebuilds the cartilage cushion in knees and hips. Repairs tendons and ligaments standard protein ignores. Warm and gentle, easy on the stomach and jaw. You must insist on broth made from actual bones. Look for collagen content on the label. Watered down stock is not bone broth. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon. The vitamin C sends those amino acids directly to joint tissue that needs them most. Warm a mug in the morning, another before bed. Building while you sleep. But bone broth cannot rebuild muscle tissue fast enough overnight. For that repair window, you need something nobody in mainstream nutrition is pairing together. And this next combination is why some people wake up feeling 20 years younger in under a week. Protein number 3, Tart Cherry and Whey, the overnight recovery protocol. When your muscles ache 2 days after carrying groceries, that is your overnight repair cycle failing completely. The fire kept interrupting the crew. Nothing got fixed. And rest alone won't save you. Rest without the right raw materials is just lying still while the damage compounds. Tart cherries contain the highest concentrations of anthocyanins found in any food. Anthocyanins block COX-1 and KOX-2, the exact same enzymes ibuprofen blocks, with zero effect on your gut lining. No stomach erosion, no dependency. Clinical trials confirm tart cherry reduces delayed muscle soreness by up to 24% and accelerates strength recovery significantly. But tart cherry alone doesn't deliver leucine, the amino acid that physically rebuilds muscle overnight. Leucine flips the protein synthesis switch. It targets the muscle fiber. It floods the repair site. It rebuilds while you rest. Period. Combine 200 milliliters pure tart cherry juice with 20 to 25 grams of whey isolate right before bed. Why it works. Cuts delayed. Muscle soreness by up to 24%. Flips the muscle rebuilding switch while you sleep. 2 ingredients, 1 glass. It's done in 30 seconds. You must insist on 100% pure tart cherry juice. Montmorency variety, not the sweetened juice aisle version. The difference in anthocyanin concentration is the difference between results and nothing. We've handled the fire and the overnight repair, but there is a third threat most people never address until it's too late. And when it catches you, it doesn't just hurt. It ends independence permanently. Eat protein number 4, turmeric-infused tofu or tempeh, the bone armor. Protein. This is about the day a slippery floor becomes a life-altering event. 1 fall, a broken hip, 6 months in a facility, and for too many people, never going home again. That is not dramatic. That is what happens when you never build the armor. Tofu and tempeh from fermented soy contain isoflavones, genistein, and didzine that actively protect bone mineral density and reduce joint inflammation simultaneously. Critical for women over 50 where bone loss accelerates faster than any visible symptom warns you. Pair that with curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, which shuts down NF-κB, the cellular pathway keeping your immune system on permanent high alert. It targets the inflammation signal, it blocks the cellular trigger, it protects the bone, period. Why it works. Protects bone density before the fall that changes everything. Stops joint inflammation at the cellular level. Soft and easy, gentle on sensitive teeth and digestion. You must combine turmeric with black pepper, boosting curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, and olive oil for full activation. Without both, most curcumin passes through you unused. Marinate. Pan fry until golden. Roasted vegetables alongside. That is your bone armor plate. 1 protein left, and it determines whether your brain and body are even communicating fast enough to keep you upright. Without this, everything else is only half the equation. Protein number 5. Pasture-raised eggs. The nervous system. Soother. When you trip over nothing on a perfectly flat floor, that is your nervous system failing to fire fast enough to save you. And the reason is usually a single missing nutrient sitting right there in your grocery store. Stop buying standard eggs. A battery-farmed egg and a pasture-raised egg are not the same food. Hens raised outdoors produce yolks with 3 to 4 times more vitamin D3. That is not marginal. That is the difference between a nervous system that fires and one that doesn't. Vitamin D converts into calcitriol, a steroid hormone governing nerve conduction, muscle contraction, and pain sensitivity. A low vitamin D is directly linked to chronic musculoskeletal pain and the deep fatigue that makes every movement feel like far more effort than it should. It targets the nerve signal. It steadies the muscle. It quiets the chronic pain. Period. The yolk also contains choline, responsible for the speed of nerve signal transmission. When your nervous system is depleted, pain amplifies and reaction time slows dangerously. Choline sharpens those signals, keeps you upright. Why it works. Sharpens reflexes so stumbles don't become falls. Soothes chronic back and muscle pain naturally, cheap, fast, and ready in under 5 minutes. You must insist on pasture-raised and not free-range, not cage-free. Pasture-raised. It will say it on the carton. 2 or 3 every morning. Soft scramble them, never skip the yolk. That is where all the medicine lives. Your anti-ache evening routine. Now you have 5 weapons. Here is exactly how to stack them. On 90 minutes before bed, turmeric marinated tofu or tempeh with roasted vegetables. Your bone armor plate, shutting down the inflammatory signal before your repair window opens. 30 minutes before bed, warm mug of bone broth with a squeeze of lemon. Shifts your nervous system into rest mode, primes your joints for overnight collagen synthesis. Right before sleep, 200 milliliters pure tart cherry juice with 25 grams of whey isolate. The fire extinguisher and the construction materials arriving together right before the crew starts work. Wake up, put your feet on the floor, stand up without wincing. That version of you is not gone. Your body is not finished. It has been waiting for the right raw materials to do what it has always known how to do. Stop feeding the fire. Start feeding the rebuild. You aren't just someone getting older, you are a fighter. And fighters don't accept a body that won't cooperate. They fuel it. They rebuild it. They take it back. If you're ready to put your feet on the floor tomorrow without wincing, drop the word fighter in the comments right now. It tells me you're done accepting the ache. And it tells me exactly who to keep making these videos for. Your comeback starts at the dinner table tonight.